Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can copy and paste links between two cells so that when you change the value in the copied cell, the value of its linked cell also changes. This is very handy when using the result of a formula as the basis for other formulas in linked workbooks or worksheets. For example, if you had a workbook that totaled sales per month on one worksheet, and another worksheet in the same workbook that totaled the monthly sales per quarter, you could use the paste link feature of Paste Special to copy and then paste links from the totals in the first worksheet to the second worksheet. That way, any changes you make to the data in the first worksheet automatically appears in the second worksheet. To copy a link between cells, first copy the cell to link to another worksheet or workbook. Then select the destination cell within which to paste the link. Then click the drop-down arrow below the Paste button in the Clipboard button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to display its drop-down menu of choices. Select the Paste Link command from the drop-down menu to paste the link to the original cell you copied. Alternatively, if you instead choose to use the Paste Special dialog box by selecting the Paste Special command from the drop-down menu, you can also click the Paste Link button in the lower left corner of the dialog box to paste the link or links. After pasting links, if you examine the contents of the linked cell, you'll see it's actually a formula. The formula simply states that the cell's value is equal to the value displayed in the cell reference shown. The cell reference is simply the cell address of the copied cell. If you use this feature to paste links between data in separate workbooks, be careful not to rename or move those workbooks. Doing this breaks the links in the formula references created by the Paste Link button. This then forces you to delete the links and recreate them again, or edit the formula references in each linked cell. As long as you do not move or rename the workbooks, you should be able to change the value in the cell you copied in one workbook and then save your changes. The next time you open the workbook that contains the linked cells, you may see a message appear on screen telling you that the workbook contains links to data in other workbooks which has changed. To update the values in the linked cells to show the changes, click the Update or Enable Content buttons in Excel to update the data in the linked cells. Then make sure to save the changes in this workbook too.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.